What's up, everyone? This is the aerodynamics of a middle finger. So we have two middle fingers, we may as well use them. And so we have streamlines going over the actual finger to see what's happening. So let's rotate this around. It plots the U magnitude, by the way, with the color. And as the flow goes over, it accelerates past the finger. So the finger's quite fast, actually. And then the flow comes in and gets sucked into this wake behind the palm. And the reason why it goes up like this is because as the flow hits the back of the hand, it has to go somewhere. So it has to go around the knuckle, around the side of the hand. And then, so there's this inflection up and then it comes back down into the wake. And the middle finger is still staying strong. And this is the U magnitude, so the velocity going through on a plane going through the hand, and the flow is going from left to right. And the velocity is from 0 to 30 meters per second. So you're giving someone the finger pretty quickly, like maybe out the car window or something. And the flow behind the actual hand itself is very draggy. You can see it's a massive wake, and that's why we had that recirculation, that flow coming down past the finger and getting sucked in there. The finger itself isn't too bad. I mean, there's a little bit of a wake, but it dies out quite quickly. It's the rest of the hand that's the problem. All right, so make sure to like and subscribe this. Use your middle finger to do it if you like. Check out everything we do here at Aerodynamics. Check out if you want to be a better aerodynamicist, that is. Not everyone does, but most people who do, check out what we have. We have instrumentation, we have the Atmosphere Hawk, we have traverses, we have PIV. Check out the courses we put on to make you a better aerodynamicist. Again, only those who actually want to be better aerodynamicists, others have you being hacks. And check out the National Aerodynamics Conference. Peace out.